Welcome back to a new game named Thomas and Friends Live and Howl. In this game, I found in Google Play, cost 90 pesos, dollars or yen. What the? Whoa! When I flip the game, what should I do first? Spoiler. Looks like, how about easy? What should I do? That only? So boring. Let's go to another game. Hide and Peep. Let's do. What's happening? What the? What's happening here? I paid 90 pesos, dollars, or yen just for this game. Let's do this.
Ready, set, cut.
What the?
Please try again. What are really useful?
Guys, sorry for the invites, but this is the most boring video I never made. Hope you enjoy.